Huh? Who? Who are you? Where am I? Oh, I don't. But oh hey, oh no, friendo. What assholes? You people are the worst kind of people. Oh, you walk by me, eh? You think you get away? So desu ne. Hold on! And now for your friend! Oh, it's two people I can't. No, they both have gone to fuck that man. Oh, grappling hook. Oh, I am the best of the ninja. Ooh. Now how would a ninja of my caliber deal with this situation? Oh, I have an idea. Hey, oh, that was pretty sweet. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay, well, screw you then. No, I will make my way to the weapon. Oh, the sword of Tetsuji! My body is ready. Got to get back to the samurai jack. Oh, I see what you want me to do. Oh, you're so clever. Ask not for who the gong tolls. It tolls for thee. Now I guess that would mean your rights are out. Now you can both just hang out here, huh? Guys? How come no one likes my puns? I will ensure the safety of my clan. Iku. Oh, I'm coming in, motherfucker. Oh, a kitty cat. Kiriste, gomen. Oh, that's a samurai thing, just kidding. Sensei! No! I will rescue you. Master, you are free!